What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Volt Action RC. If you're new here, my name is Zach and we do everything radio control. And today on the workbench is the Beaver 800mm. As y'all can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I have upgraded the landing gear. And I am here to tell you guys, check that out. This is going to be a huge improvement. Haven't got the flight yet. We will soon, so please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see when that video drops, see how this thing lands. But yeah, let's jump right into it, see what we got going on and how I did it. So I'm going to put an M right there for the middle. So we have that. I'm basing off this tape. So this is quarter to quarter. So if that's the middle, going off of that, take my marker. You like that right there? So I made two marks. I'm going to clamp it here with the vise. Bring the vise back in. This is where things are going to get a little on the tricky side. Alright, that is a 90 right there. Pretty much making a huge staple. Where my mark is, I've got to bend this down directly in line with this to be straight on. Ain't too difficult, but we gotta just make sure that this bend will be correct. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Right there, it's looking good. It's looking good. Alright, just like so. It's close enough, and I really want to know. Guys, I mean, wow, it's crazy. Alright, so now we're just going to, oh yeah, look at that. Fits right in, no problem. Take my marker. Right there and right there. So we're directly in line again. Okay, take my hand. Now here's where it gets tricky because this angle, you can see it, it's tilted back towards this way. Yes, they're both a half of an inch from the bend to the bend, so they're going to be identical. Should be, perfect world. Doing this by hand, so. So that's how far back it needs to be. By eyeballing it. And getting damn close. That's going to be damn close. That's literally where I drew. Alright, so now I've got all my marks in. I'll show you how close this is going to turn out. It's going to be crazy. So in order for me to do that, I'm going to have to try to measure that line and repeat it to the other side. think that's where this is going to come in. So it's going to be kind of hard to do. So because of the line, and it's not perfect with this, maybe I'll just do that right there to the 13. Place this back in until my line disappears into the crack of the vise, because we want to make sure that we are going to be the exact same bend all the way to the 13 mark. And for what I'm seeing here, we're really close, really close. So that should be my line right there. Alright, we're going to clamp the absolute dog dookie out of it. And really, I could have went off of the other pole or the other side of it, but what fun is that? Let's make it complicated. Oh, guys. Look at this. I'm telling you, this is the first time doing any kind of crazy bending with solid round. You would think I would have done this before or something for how good this is actually turning out. Well, trust me, I haven't, and I'm amazing myself. That's why I love doing it. Love doing this stuff. Just simple shit that, like this, drawing on the vise, marking here, double measurements, going off of something that's already been created. Crazy. Crazy, I tell you. Crazy. Yeah, 2 1/4. Then it drops. 2 1/4. And I want to stay within the same ballpark of what the factory stuff is, because yes, the wheels are bigger, but they're going to clear, and I don't want it to just be super tall or linky, and I don't want it to be too low to hit the bigger prop that we're actually going to put on it. Went a little far, that's okay. So what I'll do is I'll reclamp it. I'll just bring it back about right there. Yeah, that looks incredible. We have got to measure the wheel width. And I'm going to say for a safe bet, because I also picked up a couple other things I need to show y'all. These collars bolt up, or they have a set screw on the side of them, so it's going to slide on to the rod and then cinch down. So we're going to slide one of these on. 1, 2, go. There we go. Because it's going to get locked down there. Then the wheel's going to go on. And then we're going to bring another one in. Just like that. To where the wheel gets locked into place and it won't be able to slide either way. Now, take my handy dandy marker here, because I've got it right there to the bend. But right there is where I'm going to cut. It's definitely tight. Cool. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my finger onto the back side. I'm going to hold it right here. I'm going to make my mark perfectly to right there. Okay, so after it's marked and cut, sorry my camera died, or the battery died in my camera, so didn't get that on film, but that's okay. Didn't miss much. Alright, so got the collar on there, or the sleeve, so we're going to call this a sleeve. Get the collar, sleeve. Now time for the wheel. Look how good that spins. It spins freely. So we have a little bit of wobble, but nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. So after you install both the wheels, just make sure that your left and right caps are in the right place. And it's pretty straightforward. But guys, I really hope this helped y'all out. If you're looking at doing this mod, I just wanted to show you all the things that I used and what I had to do to complete this. But yeah, just let me know what y'all think. Leave it down in the comments. And that wraps it up for me. As always, there's more to come, and I will catch y'all in the next one.